Today we are going to make cabbage soup that is delicious and it's very healthy. It will even help you to lose weight. So here we go. First we start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Allow that to heat up. So we first of all fry our onion. So you allow this to saute for a little while. Then we add garlic. Give it a little mix. So next is cabbage. After that, you put in celery. All these ingredients are great in helping you to lose weight. So if you drink this like every week, you are going to see great improvements. And next is carrots. Green pepper and green onions. So I normally make a large pot so that it can last me for days, and let me tell you, I do enjoy this a lot. So next we're going to put in diced canned tomatoes, and also stewed canned tomatoes. So that will give it a little moisture so that it will not get burnt at the bottom. So these are all veggies. They're gonna soften up, so don't worry that it's filled up the pot. It will soften a little bit. So here we start going in with our spices. Here is 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning has like 5 to 6 herbs in it, and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Also 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, and we add salt. At this point, I'm gonna mix it in. Then I'm gonna fill it up with water. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. So I'm just putting in water just to cover up the ingredients. Then go in with my spatula to make sure that it is well incorporated, and I will leave this in low heat for like 30 minutes and we'll check back. The ingredients in this food is very potent in helping you to lose weight. For example, celery is rich in various antioxidants that possess anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. It aids in digestion, it helps to reduce weight, it reduces cancer risk. So, I have been making this for a couple of weeks now, and let me tell you, it will make you to feel full when you eat it, and that is good because it will not make you to, eat a lot. It will curb your appetite, and it's very delicious. So, if you can be making this as often as you can, it will help you lose weight. And also, you can also substitute this with, your dinner. You can have this as your dinner and you will not be deprived because you have a lot to chew in it and you would definitely enjoy it. So let me know in the comments below, do you like this? I used to be overweight and foods like this has helped me a whole lot. There you have it. Thank you so much for watching. This also cleanses your body, makes you to have great bowel movement, is great for your guts and your overall digestive system. Also, I lost 3 pounds in one day. I'm telling you, this is great for weight loss.